Welcome to Knott's Hotel, where your stay comes with poolside naps, corkscrew coasters, fireside cocktails, and boysenberry treats. Nestled in the lively city of Buena Park and just steps from Knott's Berry Farm theme park, Soak City Waterpark, and minutes from the coast in Los Angeles, it's the perfect launchpad for your Southern California adventure. Fresh off a stunning renovation, Knott's Hotel brings a bright farmhouse-chic vibe to every corner. From the welcoming new lobby to stylish, spacious guest rooms featuring boysenberry products, every detail is designed with relaxation and comfort in mind. Outside, soak up the sunshine by the heated outdoor pool, kick back on loungers and shaded dining tables, or let the kids splash the day away at their very own water play zone. Stretch it out and sweat it out at the Expansive Fitness Center, featuring a full range of weight machines, treadmills, and open space for stretching, plus a sauna and steam room, perfect for recovering after a busy day. Stock up on travel essentials, snacks, souvenirs, and famous boysenberry goodies at the on-site Berry Place, the perfect spot to find a gift or take home a taste of Buena Park. Fuel the fun with morning Starbucks coffee or a hot full breakfast buffet featuring classic favorites. Later in the day, enjoy lunch and dinner at the hotel's full-service restaurant and bar, 30 Acres Kitchen. And when the sun calls it a day, so can you, by the outdoor patio fireplace with great cocktails and good company. Guests can hop on the hotel complimentary shuttle to other Buena Park attractions like Pirates Dinner Adventure, Medieval Times, Beach Boulevard Club, or nearby Disneyland, making your visit easy and stress-free from the moment you arrive. Planning an event? From boardrooms to ballrooms, and even a dreamy gazebo, Knott's Hotel has the space, style, and vibe to make your event shine. With 320 guest rooms, over 34,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor space, and top-tier audio-visual equipment, each space is designed to be both visually stunning and versatile. From thrilling days to tasty bites and cozy nights, your perfect Southern California getaway starts at knottshotel.com.